What's up, Macaronis?
This is a vlog.
What's up, Macaronis? I hope you are having a great day. I am house sitting for my parents while they're on holiday, and yesterday I went on a hike, but I left my drink bottle there. And I like that drink bottle, so we're doing the hike again today to try and find it. Anyway, it's a good hike, really scenic, and one of my favorites from when I was a kid, so why not? Gonna take you along, but first I need to do some things around the house sitting things. After I've done all that and found my drink bottle, today I'm going back up to Melbourne because we have a gig tonight. So you'll get to meet the band, have a little bit of a fun time. We're playing at the Queen Vic Night Markets. It's a Wednesday gigs go off. We haven't done a weeknight gig in a long time. And if there's one thing our band knows what to do, it is be wild and absolutely send it. So.
We've got an escapee. Please come back, please. Please come back. Please, tell her to come back.
I'm still in their periods. Of always leaving things behind and just learning to deal with it. I just went to go visit my little grandma, bless her cotton socks. It was good to see her, I haven't seen her in ages, and now it is gig time. So let's drive to Melbourne. Hopefully it doesn't take as long as it took me to get down here the other night. Nearly plucked my eyeballs out of my head because it took so long. All right, let's go to the gig. Hello, Saxman. Sorry.
Warm rivets, not bad. Warm, I'm not talking like room temp. Warm rivets, like 40 degrees, 30 degrees. Warm.
Where are we, Saxman?
Queen Vic Market. Scroodles. You fished your jacket out of the ocean.
This is sliding for natural habitat.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're International Funk Waters, or International Waters Funk. Please welcome to the stage with a Certificate 3 in Funk from Brunswick Technical College, the fattest pig at the market, Jack Adams! If we had a gig, how are we going to get there? Jack, I don't know. You tell me, how are we going to get there?
I think we're battling this bit too long, I don't know. We could possibly walk!
I got no other ideas.
There's no other way but to walk!
Alright, Macaronis, this guy didn't film an outro, so here we are. Just had a shower. I've tried to wash away some of the weekend because we had another gig, big gig, huge gig. Wish I could remember what happened so I could tell you, but I've lost most of my camera gear. So phone vlogs, and I also lost my dignity. We're never gonna talk about that again. Thank you for watching, hope it was fun. I love playing gigs, it's good to be back playing gigs. If we ever play again. Yeah, anyway, not feeling it. I hope you have a fantastic week. Remember, you can do whatever you want to do. Just might have to be a little bit trash first. If aliens exist, you can too. And gotta remind myself of that sometimes. That's what it's all about. Alright, peace.
Part of a program called Adopt a Hobo, and this is my hobo.
Excuse me.
How about the weather? Yeah.
Cheers to running out of my prescription before I went down to Geelong. Let's go! It's not good. Oh, and my watch is out of battery. Anyway, let's get on with the day. We got things to do, baby. Wait, can we make up a theme song?
Macaronis, little fucking macaronis.
I like cheese macaroni. I love cheese macaroni and slidey on the tube.
Thanks for tuning in,
Slidey
Scroodles. You guys
on
are
the
just the Scroodly Scroods.
It's